Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be sharing with you my update on my Luisa Jewellery pieces, and I will take you to Portobello market in London. So exciting. So basically Luisa is earth-friendly, carbon neutral, super sustainable jewellery brand based in New York, and I partnered up with them last January and they sent me 3 jewellery pieces in these gorgeous jewellery pouches. So when they first sent me those jewelry pieces, I was a little bit like conscious if they last, how they will last, how long they will last. So it's been nearly 10 or 11 months now since I received these jewelry pieces, and let me tell you, these jewelry pieces are as new as I received them on the first day. So my favorite jewelry piece is this statement bracelet, which is absolutely stunning, and it's just as new as it was on the first day. It's just such a good quality statement piece. My most worn piece are these hoop earrings, which are super easy to put on, and for bigger statements I wear these hoop earrings, which are also still such a good quality. I can't see any tarnishing or any fading of the gold pleating, so super high quality. Luisa kindly gave my subscribers 20% off for their jewellery, which is Anita Benko 20 for 20% off. I will add the code there. And yes, I'm super grateful partnering up with Luisa again. So they kindly send me another 2 jewellery pieces in this gorgeous box, and I asked them to send me rings. All my subscribers know I love rings, and all my videos are with rings in my hand. So I will be testing the rings, because rings I will be probably washing my hands more with the soap, so we'll see how long the rings last. My jewellery, these 3 pieces are still as brand new, so we'll see how long the rings last. So this is the first ring, which looks like that. So this is mother of pearl stone there, and it's called Ray, this ring. Let me try on. So it looks like that. Stunning, really gorgeous. And they let me choose this ring as well, so kind of them. Really stunning. So next ring is called Chloe, and it looks like that. It's kind of like a pleating there. Really stunning. Yeah, so this ring is called Chloe. By the way, I wear size 9 rings. I have quite chubby fingers, so I wear size 9 rings, and so this is how it looks. Oh, stunning. Really gorgeous. Also, all of their jewellery have 2-year warranty, which is unheard of. So if you have any tarnishing or anything, you can replace it because it's a 2-year warranty. And it's just, but I don't think you will need that 2-year warranty because the quality of this jewellery is just so high. But it's good to know that they do offer 2-year warranty for such a gorgeous jewellery, and also it's so affordable. I will link all of the links of my jewellery down below in the description, and I will link their website on the description box down below. So let's go to Portobello market. Oh my god, so nice. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh,
that's
so nice. Red ones. I have red ones. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are quite nice. Oh, these are and stamps. Oh my goodness. Oh, these piggies are nice. Quack, quack. Do you need a knob? Ooh, sale. What is it? Oh, it's a book. Oh, Shanice. Oh my god. Oh, it's a jewellery box. Wow. So nice. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love this. Heaven. Heaven. Oh my goodness. That's quite funny. That. I love it.
I told you.
Did you? Yeah.
Wow. Oh, this is stunning. Wow. Oh, I need those lamps. Oh, wow. So stunning. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at her slaying. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's starting to rain. Nice. At least we had some sunshine. Don't forget to check out annalisa.com and use Anita Benko 20 for 20% off. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita. Yeah.